Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Quick video here on the RalliTEK springs. I've had a couple of examples the last week or so of how well the RalliTEK springs handle weight. And the way RalliTEKs are designed are basically to keep your car from sagging when you have it overloaded, whether it's in the car, on a trailer, in a hitch basket, etc. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that the rear end sits up normally a little bit higher than the front now. I think it's about 3/4 of an inch. But if you look here, you can see with the trailer loaded with 30 2x4x10s, about 250 pounds, you can see that it's a little bit more even, and maybe the back's a little bit lower than the front. At least from this angle. I don't think it actually is. But here's one example. So I wanted to show you this, how well the RalliTEKs keep you from really sagging when you have a good amount of weight on the car. And the next example is with a bunch of stuff loaded in the back. So I probably already showed you the example of having the trailer loaded up with some heavy weight and how the RalliTEK springs handled that. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to load into the back of the car about 340 pounds of water and Gatorade. But I just want you to watch how the springs compress with all this weight in the back. And this is basically what the RalliTEK says their springs are for, is to keep you from sagging when you overload your car. So let's see how it looks. So you can tell by looking at the springs that they did compress some, and I'll show you a little bit of an overlay in a second. But they are still higher than the way it would look stock. And if this was a stock setup, those springs would be compressed pretty significantly. So the RalliTEKs are doing their job. All right, so here's a screen recording. I took a shot of the car at the beginning of the video I was filming, and then at the end, and then I overlaid them on top of each other in Photoshop, and then change the opacity so you can see the beginning and there's a slow transition to the end. So that's a significant drop due to the weight, but the RalliTEKs are doing their job. And if you notice, kind of pointing out the areas, if you look underneath the car, you can really see the difference in height as I move the slider back and forth. So that's all I have for you. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you how the RalliTEKs were working out and doing their job. Really enjoying the ride quality overall, been excellent, and has taken that heaviness out of the front end of the car, so that's also very cool. I will be giving you a building update shortly. Been working on that pretty hard for the last couple of weeks, and promise to be off-road soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.